Hello my dear students. So welcome back to the maths class. Here we are continuing the chapter 3. Continuation of chapter 3. Last class we learned the multiplication of 3-digit or 4-digit number by the 1-digit number. So this is the revision. For revision, question is 6172 into 5. So do you learn the multiplication? Do you revise the multiplication table? Do you revise? Yes. Then say the answers filled. What is the first step? So you have to multiply 5 twos are, yes, 5 twos are 10. 0 is in the tens place. 1 where you are write 1. 1 in the tens place as the carryover. Clear, isn't it? Then what is the next step? 5 sevens. 5 sevens are, yes, 5 sevens are 35. 5 sevens are 35, but you have to add carryover 1. Then you are getting 36. 6 just you are right in the tens place. Then 3 as the carryover. 3 as the carryover. Then what is the next step? You have to multiply 5 and 1. 5 ones are, yes, very good. 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 1. 5 plus the carryover is 3. 5 plus 3. How much? Yes, 8. Then what is the next step? 100 space is also over. What is the next step? You have to multiply 5 and 6. 5 6 are, yes, very good. So 30. Yeah, 0 in the thousands place. 0 in the thousands place. 3 in the ten thousands place. So here we are going to learn multiplication of 2-digit number by a 2-digit number. 2-digit by a 2-digit number. Multiplication of 2-digit by a 2-digit. Here's the first question. 96 into 2-digit number 45. 96 into 45. So 96 is a 2-digit number. 45 also a 2-digit number. So what is the first step? Say the first step. What is the first step? So first step is multiply the 5 and the 96 first. Multiply the 5 by 96. 5 by 96. So in 5 by 96, start from the ones place. 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. So 0. Where I write 0? 0 in the ones place. 3 as the carryover to the tens. Clear? Yes. Then what is the next step? Next step is 5 nines are, multiply 5 by 9. 5 nines are 45. Then add the carryover. 45 plus 3. Yes, 48. That means 8 in the tens place and 4 in the hundreds place. You have to write 4 in the 8 in the tens place and 4 in the hundreds place. That means our first step is over. 96 you have multiplied 6 and 9 by 5. That means your first step is over. So what is the second step? Say the second step. Yes, second step is multiply 4 by 96. Here you have to write 0 means, wait, later I will tell you how it is, why we are writing 0 there. So second step is multiply 4 by 96. Clear? So 4 in the tens place. That means when you are multiplying 4 6 are 24. You have to start writing from the tens place. So clear? 4 in the tens place. So you have to write 4 6 are 24. This 4 should be, you have to write in the, this 4 should be, you have to write in the tens place. Why? Because we are starting the 4 in the tens place. That's why we are writing 0 in the ones place. In the second step, the 4 in the tens place. Here you have to write the answer from the tens place. Before that, you have to write 0 in the ones place. Then 4 6 are, yes, 4 6 are 24. Then 4 in the tens place and 2 in the, 2 as our carryover to the tens place. 2 as the carryover to the tens place. Then what is the next step? 4 4 nines. 4 nines are 36. 36, here is the carryover is 2. 36 plus 2. Yes. 36 plus 2 is 38. Then 8 in the, write 8 in the hundreds place and 3 in the thousands place. Then here we are getting the two numbers, isn't it? First step there is a one number, second step there is another number. Then for getting it, we have to make it as one number, means we have to add it. The third step is we are adding. The third step is we are adding step 1 and step 2 to get the answer of 96 into 45. You have to add step 1 and step 2. This is your step 1, isn't it? This is your step. This is your step. This is the step 2. Clear? So you have to add these two steps. Then 0 plus 0, easy. 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 8, 8 plus 4, yes, 12. 2 in the tens place, 1 is the 12. 2 in the ones place, 1 is the carryover. Clear? Then you have to add 4 plus 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 8 is 13. Then 3 in the hundreds place, 1 as the carryover. 1 as the carryover. Is it clear? 1 as the carryover. Then what is the next step? 3 plus 1. Add 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 1 plus 3 or 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. So your answer is, what is your answer? How much you got? 4,320. So next, the second question. Thirty-eight into second question is 38 into 94. 38 into 94. So 38 into 94. How do you do it? Yes. First multiply the digit in the ones place. 4 8s are 32. 2 in the ones place. 3 as the carry over. 3 as the carry over. Then multiply. 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. 5 in the tens place and 1 in the hundreds place. Clear? So that means the multiplication with 4 is over. Then you have to start with the 9. The 9 in the tens place. So 9 into 8s. 9 8s are. So before doing the 9 multiplication with the 9, you have to write 0 in the tens place. Sorry, 0 in the ones place. Then you have to multiply the 9 8s. After writing 0 in the ones place, you have to multiply 9 8s. 9 8s are 72. So where you have to write the 2, 9 in the tens place, you have to write 2 in the tens place. 2 in the, you have to write 2 in the tens place. 7 as the carryover to the tens. 7 as the carryover to the tens. Then what's the next? So that means 9 ones place, the multiplication with ones place is over. Then you have to then you have to multiply the digit in the tens place. Tens place, that is 9 and 3. 9 3s are, yes, 9 3s are 27. 9 3s are 27. So 27 plus carryover is there. 27 plus 7 is, yes, 34. So here you write 4. 27 plus 7 is 34. You have to write 4 in the hundreds place and 3 in the thousands place. So what is the last step? You have to get the answer. This is not the answer. They just you are multiplying it. For getting the last answer, what you have to do? Add. You have to add these two steps. You have to add these two steps. Then 2 plus 0, 2. 5 plus 2 is, yes, 7. 1 plus 4 is 5. Then nothing, there is nothing to add, so you have to bring down the 3. So your answer is 3572. Clear? Then this is the third question. 80 into 76. 80 into 76. What is the first step? So start multiplication with the ones. That means 0, 0, 6. 0, 6 are easy. 0, 6. 0 property. 0, 6. Yes, 0, 6 is 0. Then what is the next step? So 1, 6 in the ones place into 8 in the tens place. Multiply 6 in the ones place and digit 8 in the tens place in the first number. 6 8s are, yes, 6 8s are, very good, 6 8s are 48. Then what do you write? 8 in the tens place and 4 in the hundreds place. So that means the multiplication with 6 is over. So you have to start with the digit in the tens place, that is 7. Then 7 in 7 zeros. 7 zeros. Yes, 7 into 0. Yes. Before that, what you have to do? You have to make in the second step, we have before doing multiplying with the 7, you have to write the second step, the ones place as 0. Clear? After that, you have to multiply the 7 with the 0. 7 zeros are, yes, 0, 0. Then, what is the next step? 7 8s. 7 8s are, yeah, yes, 7 8s are 56. That means 6 in the hundreds place, 5 in the thousands place. Is it your answer? Is this the answer? No. What you have to do? For getting the answer, you have to do the addition. You have to do the addition. So, add these two numbers. 0 plus 0, 0. 8 plus 0, 8. Then 4 plus 6, yes. Count it. 4 plus 6, how much? Yes, good. 10. So, 10, 0 in the hundreds place. 1 as the carryover. 1 as the carryover. So, 1 plus 5 is, yes, 6. So, your answer is 6080. 6080. Clear? Next, we are going to learn the multiplication 3-digit by a 3-digit number, 2-digit number, 3-digit by a 2-digit number. So this is the question. 507 into, it's a 3-digit number, into 507 into 43 is the 2-digit number. Then what is the first step? First step is multiply 3 by all the digits in the 507. 507. So 3 7s are, yes, 21. So 1 you have to write, where you have to write 1 in the ones place. So 3 in the ones place, so you have to write 1 in the ones place. Then we'll write this 2 as our carryover. This 2 as our carryover. So ones place is over. Then 3 zeros. 3 zeros. You have to write here 3 zeros. 3 zeros are 3 into 0. You are multiplying, not the 7. 3 zeros. 3 zeros. 3 zeros are not 3 into 7. You have to multiply with the 0. You have to multiply with the 0. 3 zeros are 0. Then 0 plus 2. Carryover is 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. Clear? Then the third step is 3 in the ones place and 5 in the hundreds place. That 3 5s. 3 5s are 15. So where you write 15? 5 in the hundreds place and 1 in the thousands place. So that means our step 1 is over. We multiplied 3. We wanted to multiply 3 with all the digits in the 507. So first step is over. Then we have to start with the second step. What is the second step? What will be the second step? Yes, second step is multiply 4 by 507. The digit, all the digit in the 507. Before doing the second step, we have to write 0 in the ones place. Is it clear? Why? Because 4 in the tens place. There is nothing to write in the ones place. So we are writing 0 in the ones place. So start multiplying 4 by 507. 4 by 507. The first step is 4 sevens are 4 and 7. 4 sevens are 28. In 28, 8 in the tens place. 4 in the tens place. So your answer should be right in the tens place. 8 should be in the tens place. 2 is the carryover. 2 is our carryover to the tens place itself. Then, what's the second step? Multiply 4 zeros. 4 zeros are 0. Then, 0 plus 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. You have to write in the hundreds place. Then, third step, multiply 4 and 5. 4 5s are 20. So, where you have to write 4? Where you have to write 20. 0 in the thousands place and 2 in the hundreds. 2 in the 10,000s place. So what is the next step? Next step, you have to add. To get the answer means you have to add. Step 3, you have to add these two steps. This is the first step. This is the second step. You have to add these two steps. So add these two steps. So start adding from the ones place. 0 plus 1, 1 itself. 2 plus 8. 10. So 1 is the 0 is in the tens place, 1 is the carryover to the hundreds place. Then 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. Then, so 8 in the hundreds place, you have to write 8 in the hundreds place. Then 1 plus 0, add 1 plus 0, so 1 itself, then bring down the 2. So what is your answer? 21,800, 21,801. Next question, 319 into 62. So, say the answers. What is the first step? 2 nines. 2 nines are 8. Good. So, where I write the 1? 1 is the carryover to the tens. Then, what's the next step? 2 ones. 2 ones is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Then, what's the next step? Multiply 2 and 3. 2 threes are 6. That means our first step is over. Then start with the 6 in the tens place. Then 6 nines are before you are starting the multiplication with the 6, you have to write 0 in the ones place. Then multiply 6 nines. 6 nines are 54. 4 in the tens place. 5 in the 5 as a carryover to the tens itself. Then 6 ones are 6. 6 plus 1 is 11. So 1 to the hundreds place. Other one is the carryover. 6 threes are 18. 18 plus 1. You have to add a carryover. 18 plus 1. 18 plus 1 is 19. 9 in the thousands place. 1 in the 10,000s place. So is this the answer? Is this the answer? No. What you have to do? You have to add these two steps. So add these two steps. Add it. Yes. 8 plus 0 is 8. 3 plus 4 is 7. 6 plus 1 is 7. Bring down the 9. Bring down the 1. Bring down the 9. Bring down the 1. So the answer is, what is the answer? 19,778. So third question is 852 into 19. 852 into 19. So multiply 2 nines. Yes, what is the first step? 2 nines are 18. 8 in the ones place. 1 is the carryover to the tens. Second step, 9 fives. 9 fives are 45 plus 1 is 46. So 6 is in the tens place. 4 is the carryover to the hundreds. So one more number you have to multiply with the 9. 9 eights. 9 eights are 72. 72 plus carryover 4 is there. 72 plus 4. Yes. So 76. 72 plus 4 is 76. So 6 in the hundreds place, 7 in the 10,000s place. Clear? That means the first step is over. That is multiplication with the 9 is over. So you have to start with the 1. Before starting with the 1, what you have to do? You have to write 0 in the 1's place. So clear? Before you are starting with the multiplication with the 1, you have to write 0 in the 1's place. Then, now you can start multiplying 1 with the 2. Multiply 1 by 2. Yes, 1 2 is 2. 1 2 is 2. 1 5 is 5. Yes, 1 8 is, yes, 8. Then what is the next step? You have to add. Yes, you have to add these 2. For getting the final answer, you have to add these 2 steps. Yes, add these 2 steps. 8 plus 0, 8. 6 plus 2 is 8. 6 plus 5 is 11. 1 in the last one in the hundreds place. Other one is the carry over to the thousands place. So 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 8. Add it. 8 plus 8. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 in your mind. 8 in your hand. 8 plus 8 is 16. 6 in the thousands place and 1 in the 10,000s place. Clear? This is for the assignment. Find the product. Find the product. Is it clear? Find the product. Find the product. First question is 68 into 57. Second question is 365 into 24. You have to do it as a homework. So that's for today's class. Thank you. God bless you.